To install the TTV APK on Firestick, start by going to the Settings menu on your Firestick. Then select My Fire TV, followed by Developer Options. In the Developer Options menu, turn on the option that says Install Unknown Apps. This will allow you to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. Next, go back to the home screen and select the search icon. Then type in Downloader. Select the Downloader app from the search results and click Download to install it. Once the Downloader app is installed, open it and enter the URL of the TTV APK download page. After entering the URL, click Go and wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, click Install to start the installation process. Wait for the installation to finish. Then click Open to launch the TTV app. Before using the TTV app, go to the Settings menu within the app and configure any necessary settings, such as enabling subtitles or setting up a VPN. To use the app, simply browse through the available content, select a title, and click Play to start streaming. It is essential to note that using third-party apps like TTV may pose some risks, such as exposure to malware or copyrighted content. To minimize these risks, only download the TTV APK from a trusted source and always use a VPN when streaming. By following these steps, you can successfully install the TTV APK on your Firestick and start enjoying your favorite content.